Hey, yo, what up? It's your boy, DZ. We in the building. How's everybody doing today? We got Ace, Anthony, Ape, Vince, Welder, Cito, Prada, Roarin. What up? Tomo. Will Pock in the building. Andrew. Okay, so yeah, here's what popped off. So if you missed the video, first thing you need to do is check out the video. That's the very first thing you need to do. Is check out that video. Because we got it right here for you. So check that video out if you haven't. So that's gonna give you the update on what you need to know. Now, what we were looking at for the video is, I told y'all that we would come down to 490. We need to confirm this level as support. 490 needs to be confirmed as support. So that's what we're doing right now on AMC. GameStop had a vicious dump to the downside here and is now recovering. I wanna check how much GameStop shares they used this morning. Let's check it out. So they have 4.3 million shares for GameStop. Definitely waiting on a move for GME stock. Definitely waiting on a move for GME. Open interest still absolutely exploded. Okay, open interest rising. Max Payne 2050. Cost to borrow 1.50% AMC. Cost to borrow. Still not going up on GME, even though they're shorting so much. Crazy. Dilution, man. Dilution. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The freak. How was your weekend, y'all? Hopefully y'all had an amazing weekend. GameStop, we need to see GameStop back above the critical level of 2044. Need to see GameStop back above that critical level of 2044. SPY came down and used 560.87 as support, which is bullish overall for this consolidation. So SPY has a bullish consolidation. We pushed up. Bullish consolidation using this 560 as support. So SPY's doing what I said, consolidating. Remember I said SPY's gonna consolidate in the video. I even drew like a question mark and a little picture, right? Because I said there's a lot of sell orders up here to try to keep SPY down. So it's SPY's most likely gonna consolidate until Wednesday or possibly tomorrow. Now, today is going to be absolutely huge. I need everybody to understand that we have, tomorrow we have retail sales month over month, but Wednesday we have FOMC. C. So things could get pretty crazy on Wednesday. So you want to be careful on Wednesday. Things could get pretty out of control on Wednesday. It's a slow day today, but this week is not going to be a slow week. You better believe that. This week is not going to be a slow week. So now I'm going to give an update for AMC, GME, SPY, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, everything. Make sure you hit that like button if you don't mind. Hit that like button if you don't mind. What up, Omar, Yomar, Willie, Ghost? We the hub. Get the money, get the bag. Everyone else belongs. It's the meaning of the song. So many incomes that my money got too long. Then it should get rid of the lyric. And I just keep making only killing. Your boys on the way to a million. Take a step back from the spotlight. I totally get it. I do the same thing. What up, True Seeker? So AMC, man, I want to see AMC back above this 495. Today was just really, really slow for stocks. I was watching some of the day. I just wasn't able to get online. And it just seemed like a very slow day today. Nothing much was going on, so that's why I didn't get on till later. Plus, I was busy. But nothing was going on, man. Nothing is still going on. Hopefully here in Power Hour, we're going to get some volatility. I want to see AMC and GME push up, but right now they're MACD's red, so I'm not liking what I'm seeing here so far. SPY looks like it's going to try to push up in the close up towards this 563.01, especially if SPY can hold this 562.16. Man, today's great, man. Today is great. Life's been good, bro. Life's good. Life's good. I just need to balance work and play a little bit. I've been working too much, and I haven't been really focusing on other things. Not even play. I just need to focus on other things than work. You know what I mean? Because I just been grinding, man, and I just gotta chill out. I need to focus on other things right now and then get back to it, you know what I mean? I work too hard, bro. I just keep going. I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't stop. I'm like the Energizer Bunny, bro. I see those numbers go up. I see the views go up. I see the likes go up, and it's like a game. I just want to keep going. I want a higher score. I want a higher score. I want a higher score. I think it's some of YouTube's fault, because YouTube, man, YouTube makes this shit like a game, bro. They give you a little app if you're a creator, and it has your money on there, and has how many likes you get, how many views you get, how many subscribers you get, and it tracks it all. And it's like a fucking game. It's like a game where you're trying to build points. Yeah, man, this sideways shit, boring, bro. Boring as hell, man. Boring as hell. That's probably why there's not too many people, even if I did live stream today. Nobody, you know, only the fam's gonna really pop in, because, hold on, what the freak? What is this madness here? What do we have here? Bro just went ham for no reason. Dude, thank you for the fucking 50, bro. Thank you, bro, man. I truly appreciate that, my dude. Tony Baloney with the 50, dog. Tony with the 50, bro. Thank you, man. That's a crazy way to start the day, bro. That's going to be our first super chat for the day, just putting us at the $49.99. I appreciate it. That's actually wild, bro. Talk. The microphone. I was that excited. Talk about absolute madness. Try hard. Bro is a madman for that. And if we don't get any gifted todays, I will be giving a gifted away at the end of the day. So make sure you guys stick around. If we don't get any gifted, which means you could still get gifted, because listen, if somebody else gives a gifted, you can get a chance to get a free membership. But if nobody gives a gifted today, DZ will be giving away back to the community a gifted membership. So stay tuned to the end of the day to see if anybody gives a gifted, and if not, you could get your chance to win as I give away a couple gifteds. If you missed yesterday's video, make sure you check that out because I talked about how the rate cuts will affect the meme stocks, and that's something you really need to pay attention to because we possibly have rate cuts coming up here on Wednesday. Now remember, I predicted that the Fed will cut rates in September. I've talked about this for multiple times. The Fed will cut rates. And, all right, you guys are getting crazy. Bro came out with the 5 gifted? What the f is this? What are we doing today, fam? What are we doing today? We just got a 50 slab and 5 gifted. Thank you, Kevin William, bro. Kevin, you the man, bro. Vince, Adventures, Robert, Tribal, One Big, all just gifted. All just gifted for free. You just got a free membership for a month. If you're listening, please thank Kevin. Get the hype in the chat. You already know what it is. Get the hype in the chat. Hit that like button and subscribe. This is DZ fam. We're popping off, baby. We're popping off. Don't let them shake you out of your AMC, bro. There's too many good things going on with the fundamentals. I talked about that in yesterday's video. Bro, if you missed yesterday's video, make sure you check it out. Also, follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, NateP717. We're at 2,000 followers. We're trying to get to 2,500. We're at 2,024, man. Let's go. Thank you all for helping me break 2,000 followers. Let's get to the next goal, 2,500. I post about stocks, crypto, and personal life on my Twitter. Also, follow me on Instagram if you don't mind. Okay, so I talked about September rate cuts. I'm trying to find the tweet, but I talked about rate cuts in September. You guys might just have to take my word for it. The tweet's on here somewhere. But I talked about rate cuts in September, okay? And we're possibly going to get these rate cuts on Wednesday. FOMC's on Wednesday, so be ready, y'all. There's also an article going around from WikiLeaks, which is if you don't know what's going on, you really need to check out the video because I'm trying to explain it all, but it's so much to explain. So there's somebody called WikiLeaks, and WikiLeaks is basically he's a reporter for the Wall Street Journal, and he gets information from the Fed. He's saying everybody should watch out for a 0.75 basis point cut, which would be huge, an absolutely massive cut. Now to me that means something's wrong, and that also to me shows me that the Fed is probably doing what I said. The Fed is probably behind the curve on rate cuts. The Fed should have probably been cut rates, and that's why they're going to drive us into a recession. See, the people don't understand the Fed can never do anything right. These people are incompetent. They create the issues, and you think that these same people are going to be able to fix them? No. The same people cannot fix the issues that they created. So the Fed is not going to be able to fix the issues that it itself created. So what's going to end up happening is they're going to drive us into a recession. There's going to be no soft landing. And I think that they need to cut rates so fast because things are breaking. So this is why things could get crazy this week. We have a Fed press conference as well. So we have FOMC economic projections. We have the actual interest rate decision, which the market is pricing in let's see. So we're at 5.5. The consensus is 5.25 and the forecast is 5.25. So the market is pricing in a 25 basis point rate drop. So if we get anything more than that, that is going to be where the market really gets volatile. The Great Stunner with a gifted as well. Clarence was just gifted a free membership from the Great Stunner. We got 130 in the building already. 6 brand new members. The fam is going fucking crazy. Let's go. Let's go. The fam is going berserk, man. I love to see it. I love to see it. Thank you for the support, y'all. I could not do this without y'all. So I'm glad that y'all come through and help. I truly appreciate y'all. I wouldn't be here without you. I would not be here without you. Ad revenue sucks so bad. I literally would not be here unless it was for the DataZero family. Because the ad revenue, I couldn't. Maybe if I did t-shirts, ad revenue, and Discord. Maybe, but I still don't see it. I still don't see it being enough. So I appreciate y'all so much, man. I appreciate y'all. YouTubers got to do other things because the YouTube ad revenue is bad, man. It's bad. Rockets in the chat. I see Rockets in the chat. Thank you, the Great Stunner, for the gifted. I appreciate you. 6 brand new members today. We got AMC at 493, GameStop at 2039, SPY 5 at 62.18. You want to see SPY hold this 562.15, 562.17? If SPY loses that level, it's going to be bearish. SPY MACD going red, so be careful. Let's go, family. Let's go. Let's go, family. Let's go. All right, we're popping off today, man. It's a beautiful day. Want to see AMC hold that 490. We need to confirm 490 AMC. GameStop, we want to see back above 2044. All right, ladies and gentlemen, GameStop has support at 2028. We do not want to see GameStop lose $20. This is important right now. It might seem like low volume, no movement, but this is key price action that we need to see completed. Also, we broke 1,000 or 14,100 subscribers. I told you by next week we'd be at 14,100. You can see that we broke that level. I appreciate it. All the new subscribers, man. Shout out to the new subscribers. Glad to see you here. 14,102 subscribers. Hit that like button and subscribe if you want to support the channel for absolutely free. Let's check out SQQQ. SQQQ made a decent move today up towards that 850 level. Had to pull back, though, as the market gained stability. Also, if you don't know what's happening, Trump did get attacked for a second time. So you can check out that right here if you missed that. Trump did get attacked for a second time. Things are getting crazy out here in the political landscape. This is not the way, fam. This is not the way. Bro dropped that 50 bomb. That's just crazy. What up, Joshua? What's good with you? Wally, what's up? I want to see GME above 30. Me too, bro. Me too, bro. Just GME above 30, you know what that means. Pop to the upside, baby. We got 130 in the building right now. Glad to see you here right now. 130 of the realest. Hey. 130 of the realest in the building right now. SPY pushing up off of that support of 562.16. So SPY looking like it's trying to remain bullish in the close. 2 minutes till power hour. 2 minutes until power hour. Bitcoin sitting at 57,000. Want to see Bitcoin back above 60. Still think Bitcoin's in an overall accumulation range. If you ask me, I think Bitcoin's in an overall accumulation range. And this is a bull flag. I think this is a big bull flag if you ask me and my personal opinion. So Bitcoin's probably going to consolidate before another push to the upside. Yeah. That's what I'm thinking anyways. Could be wrong. I've been wrong in the past, but track record's pretty good for being on point. We'll see how it goes. Only time will tell. Thanks for the shout out. Hey, no problem, bro. No problem, dog. You guys went crazy today, man. I just turned on the CPU and somebody, let's see, we got a 50 slab dropped already from homie, Tony Baloney. And then, why is it? And then we have 6 brand new members as well. Shout out Kevin and the Great Stunner. The least I could do is try to provide as much value as possible from this channel. You guys go crazy. We have 71 likes already. Like, come on, man. This is unreal, the support that y'all show. So I have to show out for my fam. I have to do everything I can. I have to work as much as I can. I gotta be here for y'all, man. That's why I gotta show up every day, bro, no matter what. I'm obligated, okay? The VIX is slightly going up, y'all. VIX is slightly going up before this move. This is crazy. So the VIX got to pop to the upside today. You can see when the VIX goes up, the market goes down. The VIX got to pop to the upside today, and it's remaining elevated going into rate cuts. What if rate cuts actually is a big bull trap and we get faked? This is something that I was thinking about last night, because it's a lot to process. This is very, very complicated. Here, let me get this. These rate cuts are very complicated. So there's a lot to talk about and a lot to process. No way. Whoa. Wally. Why did you do it, brother? Why did you do it? Thank you, brother, so much. Wally just gave another 5 gifted. So if you're watching today, there's a good chance you're gonna get gifted. Make sure you leave comments. If you leave comments, it helps. It helps. Leave comments to get gifted. If you want a free gifted. Bro just gave away 5 gifted, bro. Bro just gave away 5 gifted. So make sure you hit that, make sure you comment, man. I said SPY was gonna dump Tuesday or Wednesday. It's a possibility. We don't really have anywhere left to go but down, bro. That's the problem. We really don't have much left to go but down. So that is really the issue on SPY right now. I got on the Absolute Madness tee, man. It says DataZero in the back. I don't know if y'all can see the back or not. But you could check out your merch in the merch store right here. We got brand new designs. Check that out. It's in the link in the comment section, the description. I'll go ahead and post a link in the comment section. Check that out if you'd like. No way. Matthew. Matthew. What is this? Why did Matthew just do 10 gifted? What the freak, bro? And do you see? Bro left the comment. IL most left the comment right here. I said SPY was gonna dump Tuesday, and then look what happened. IL got gifted right away. So check that out, man. Leave comments, get gifted. I'm telling y'all. Matthew with the 10 gifted, bro. If you just got gifted, please thank Matthew. Drop some hype in the chat, by the way, as well. Drop some hype in the chat. Drop some hype in the chat, fam. Drop the hype in the chat, because this is just getting crazy. SPY pushing up into close as expected. Watch for SPY to push towards that 563.01 level, especially since it held. And I talked about that 562.16. Since we held that level, watch for SPY to push towards 563.01. Now, I was saying about SPY because RSI overbought. You see how overbought RSI is on the 4-hour time frame? We really have no room to run. So that's why I'm thinking even if we do get a pop to the upside, it would be followed by a quick move down. Something like this, maybe. I don't show you what I'm talking about here. And we have a lot of sell orders here. There's a lot of resistance. So what I'm expecting is if we did get a break above all-time highs, you would see a pop up. But then I would think that would be followed by a big move down, in my personal opinion. Another thing we have to worry about is these rate cuts. How are they really going to affect the market? And the rate cuts are very complicated. There's so many moving parts. So we have, how will the market be affected? We have to determine what rate cut we're actually getting. Are we getting a 50 basis point rate cut, a 75 basis point rate cut, or a 25 basis point rate cut? The market is pricing in a 25 basis point rate cut. WikiLeaks just came in and told us that most likely we would see, WikiLeaks just came in and told us most likely we would see a 75 point basis cut. So we have to really see what we get just on Wednesday here as far as rate cuts. In the market, we have to understand that the market has a 25 basis point rate cut priced in. So that's very important to understand that, because if we only get 25 basis points, the market already has that priced in. So you shouldn't see that crazy of a move. Maybe even a pullback if that's all we got. But if we get a 50 or a 75, we got to see how the market digests that. Now, there's two ways the market could digest that. There's an irrational way, in my personal opinion, and there's a logical way. The logical way to me, and this is just my opinion on this, is, and there's obviously data to back this up, but if the Fed very first rate cut is 75 basis points, that means there's a problem. That means that they're behind the curve, which is what I think is happening, okay? I think the Fed is incompetent, in my personal opinion. Some people have different beliefs on that. I believe that the Fed is incompetent. I don't think these people can steer the economy like a plane. It's not possible, okay? The economy is made up of people and psychology and so many moving parts. You can't control it like a vehicle. Trying to control the economy only will mess it up. You need to let the market be free so the market can balance itself naturally. You trying to meddle with it just screws things up. So that being said, we need to see what basis points we get. Is it a 50? Is it 75? And that's going to determine everything. If it's a 75, I think we're going to see, in my personal opinion, that would mean that we're behind the curve, and most likely we're going to see a pull back on the mega cap stocks. I would think that the smaller cap stocks would do well. So that's maybe even why AMC and GME, I know this was going to sound crazy, but might be getting pushed down and or flat as people accumulate, because small and mid cap stocks are going to perform even better in a low rate environment. So if we get a low rate environment, if we get the rates cut, small caps will do better. People might even continue the trade of the rotation out of the large cap stocks like Nvidia, like Apple, like Microsoft. Stop buying them and rotate into the smaller cap, more risky stocks. And remember, we talked about a possible trade where they were doing that. Nvidia came back for its gap fill. Nvidia had a gap fill that it made with this inverse head and shoulders. So we talked about this inverse head and shoulders last week on Nvidia, and it made a gap right here. Nvidia came back and filled the gap. Nvidia is going to start pulling back. The market could actually go red. The market's looking bearish, to be real. We're seeing the video start to pull back. Let me check. It's showing signs of bearishness off the rip. Monday or Wednesday is really going to determine everything. But these larger cap stocks are showing bearishness off whip. Let me see market heat map. Semiconductors. The main thing is, though, it's not even semiconductors. And I've had several people confirm that there is a chip shortage right now. It's the fact that Apple and Nvidia are down. That's the big clue. Because these are the two giants. Apple, possible double top. Apple tracking right along with my prediction right here. You can see my macro prediction for Apple. And this just happened today. Apple pulled back. So how is SPY even up right now? Meta maybe holding SPY up? How's Microsoft doing? How is SPY even up right now? Okay, it's basically flat. It's 0.9, but still, SPY should have dumped with Nvidia and Apple, especially Nasdaq. Nasdaq should definitely be red, right? Nasdaq's red, yeah, because SQQQ is green. Yeah, because Nvidia's down, Apple's down, SQQQ's green. Microsoft, Meta, maybe, and Alphabet maybe holding up SPY right now. I could see that. I could see these three holding it up. And that's why we're just slightly green. Listen, the market is getting set up for what's going to happen Wednesday. That's why today is going to be slow. This is the calm before the storm. In fact, let me name the title The Calm Before the Storm, because that's exactly what this is. This is the calm before the storm. This will get wild. Stock and crypto. All right, we got 168 in the building right now. 168 in the building. I appreciate it. Looks like we got a nice little boost from the algorithm around 3 o'clock. I think I turned the face cam on at 3 o'clock. I'm not sure. Type a 1 in the chat for face cam on. Type a 2 in the chat for face cam off. Which do you prefer? What up, Juan? Palantir. Oh yeah, Palantir's joining the, I think it's joining the S&P 500 if I'm correct. I think. Palantir's another hype stock in my personal opinion. I don't like these government stocks at all. Dude, we have 21 brand new members. I got these sleepies in my eyes, I feel like. Yeah, Palantir is, I know people are hyped on it, so I'm not going to talk crap on it, but, and it probably will go up, but I don't like it. SPY pulling back. Watch out, man. I'm telling y'all. Let me check that. I do need to put that because it's going to join the S&P 500, so I need to watch it now, though, unfortunately. Stupid ass stock. I hate it. Just another freaking stock that I have to hate. Just like I hate NVIDIA. I'll put it down here with Netflix and Tesla. I'm almost certain it's joining the S&P 500, I think. PLTR joining. On Monday, today. Oh no, next week. Next week. How much weighting? What weighting is it gonna be? Do they have an idea of weighting? Just one more scheme to pump up the market before the bubble pops. Just keep the bubble going as long as possible. Keep the cash out scheme going as long as possible. Rope in as many investors as possible. Hype up as many people as possible. Take as much as money up there as possible. That's what these fuckers do, bro. That's what they do, bro. And we need to fight against it. We need to be smarter, and we need to use their tactics against them. That's why I'm trying to really dive deep into what these people are actually doing behind the scenes, because I want to use their tactics against them. I started trying to do stuff like that with AMC and GME because they constantly push AMC and GME down. So I figured, how can I use that against them? And there are ways. There are ways. If they're constantly manipulating the stock to the downside, there are ways you can use that against them. AMC losing key support right now. Probably get a bounce. RSI's getting towards that oversold. Let me pop on the bands. We're probably outside the bands as well. Yeah, we're outside the bands right now. Sometimes I can just see the shit and I don't even have to put it on. It's crazy. Outside the bands on GME as well. Probably gonna get a bounce off of that. What up, Ricky? What's good with you? I completely forgot the ones and twos. Everyone dropped one though, so whatever one is that no face cam? Should I turn it off? I like it though. I can interact with you guys better. I feel like it's more engaging too when the camera's on. What's good with you? AMC coming back above that 490, bouncing like we thought it would. Let's see if we can hold though. We gotta hold the line. We gotta hold the line. Amy retesting that 490. We came down for that 490 test here. Man, getting this doji right off the bat, bro. We're getting a doji right off the bat. That's a lot of indecision. That's because people are waiting for tomorrow and Wednesday, bro. The smart traders are not making moves right now. They're waiting. They're literally waiting, bro. Or they're positioning themselves into what they think the outcome's gonna be. But honestly, you would have to be on point, bro, or just gambling, because the market could go any direction once these rate cuts pop off, and we don't even know what we're gonna get. There's so much misinformation. Like Nikki Leaks is telling us the 75, but the market's pricing in a 25, and then there's articles saying about a 50. Like, what the freak? Yeah, tricky terrain. You are not kidding. Fed enters. Oh, the Fed enters tricky terrain. Bro, we are in tricky terrain, man. We're trying to figure out what's going on so we can make money before it happens. We need to know what the move is going to be before it happens so we can make some bread, bro. Right now, I'm hedged 50-50, dogs. Fed rate cuts will not be as deep as the market expects, says BlackRock. That means the market would dump. If we get a 75 basis point rate cut, that means something's wrong. I'm telling y'all that right now. If we get a 75 basis point, that means something is wrong. Hey, I'm glad you showed up. I showed up late, bro. I didn't even get on till like 2 o'clock, dog. So don't even worry about it. So don't buy Amy today. No, this is all tricky, bro. Amy is different. Amy is a small cap stock, a mid cap stock. I mean, mid cap stocks and small cap stocks are going to perform better when the rates are being cut. So think about people trying to front run that move. They would push the small cap stocks down today because they want to buy low. So they would be looking for good deals on small cap stocks and mid cap stocks. So I wouldn't be surprised if the small and mid cap stocks were slightly red, but it looks like a lot of them are green, and it looks like the mega caps are red, and that could insinuate that the trade is in process. People are rotating out of these mega cap stocks, which are going to not perform as well as the smaller and mid cap stocks once the rates are cut. So people are rotating out of these stocks and moving into, let's see what IWM's doing, because that could help give us some indications. IWM is green, okay? So IWM is now outperforming the NASDAQ. That's a key sign of what's going on right now. People are rotating out of these mega cap stocks, the tech stocks, the semiconductors, and into the smaller cap stocks. Hope your grandpa's doing better. Thank you, man. I really appreciate it. It's going to be a long process, and I don't want to say too much online, but I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Thank you. I really appreciate y'all. I want to be open, but I don't want to say too much online. I want to be transparent with everybody, but so I'm trying to figure out where my line is. I definitely tell y'all a lot of things, but I definitely don't say everything, obviously. So I really appreciate that. That was Danny, right? Yes, that was Danny. Thank you. So you can see that IWM is outperforming the NASDAQ right now. So that's key. That's telling you that people are rotating out of the mega cap stocks. That's why Apple's down, Nvidia's down, and into the smaller and mid cap stocks. People are expecting a rate cut. The market is pricing in a rate cut. So we know we're getting something. We know we're getting something, okay? It's not going to be nothing. I said the rate cuts were going to happen in September. I think we're going to get something here, September. It's going to be something. The market's pricing in a 25. If we get a 25, though, the market will dump. And that's where everybody will be so confused, because they'll be like, well, the rates got cut. Market to the moon. You have to look at what's going on. If the market has a 25 priced in and a 25 comes, that means the market's going to dump. The market has a 25 priced in. I think we might get the 25, and then you'll see a pullback. If we get a 75, that means something's wrong. Something's broken, and the Fed is scared, and we're going to have a depression. If we get 50, maybe market pump. I still feel like SPY would pull back because people are going to start rotating into the small and mid cap stocks. I could just be overly bearish on SPY. I don't know. I could just be overly bearish on SPY. I really don't know. But based off everything I'm looking at, I try not to have a bias. It's like it's just, that's what this is saying to me. We don't have anywhere else to go. We really don't have nowhere to go, bro, but down. We really don't. I was saying that in yesterday's video. We don't got nowhere to go. We got this bearish divergence on the weekly time frame, which is horrific. You got RSI clearly trending down while price is clearly trending up. Volume is clearly trending down while price is clearly trending up. That's horrific. This is on the weekly time frame, by the way. RSI overbought on the monthly time frame, bro. This is not good. Volume clearly on a downtrend. And then you have the economy as fucked up as it is. I think the Fed's lying to us. I think the Fed's behind the ball on the rate cuts. I think that we're probably going to get a 50 or 75. And that's a problem. If we get a 75, bro, that means something is wrong in the background. Politicians are begging for a 75. Dude, if we get a 75, that means something is wrong. Something is wrong if we get a 75. Also, check out the hat too. The hat is from the merch store as well. You can check that out. I appreciate everybody who bought merch as well. If you did buy merch and you're in the Discord, please post it in the Discord or send it to my email if you're not in the Discord. If you bought merch, send a picture, if you don't mind, of you wearing it or rocking it or having it in an email. I'm going to try to make a collage. I got a couple people already who put into it. The Great Stunner with the 2, bro. I appreciate you. Levels on plug power. You need the key levels. I got you, bro. We need key levels on plug right now. I got you. All right, so we're gonna be looking at the 2-hour time frame. So you know this is a small, this is a small cap stock. I can tell by the price. Guess what's gonna happen if you get rate cuts? Stocks like this are gonna go up. This is the kind of plays you might wanna be looking at right now. They're gonna be risky, but if we get rate cuts, stocks like this, small cap stocks, are gonna fly. They are going to fly. That's why this stock is rallying right now. I'm telling y'all. And you could probably correlate this with the news of rate cuts coming. Maybe some fundamentals here. I don't know too much about the fundamentals. Key levels. All right, so key levels for PLUG. Let me get some water. All right, so we have one key level at 190. 190 is going to be your current support and resistance. That's what you're using as support right now. You have support at 166, 190, which is your current support and resistance. You want to see that held. If you can hold 190, you can move towards 213, which is going to be your next resistance above your 190. And then above 213, you have 235. After 235, you have 257. And if you break 257 and hold that level of support, you could start to see a decent move to the upside for PLUG. Those are your support and resistance levels. Rewind the stream if you need to. I will go over them one more time. 166 support, 190 support, which is your current support. Your next resistance is your 213. If you break above 213, you have a chance to go to 235. 235. After that, you have 257. If you break 257 and hold that level of support, you could see a decent move to the upside because you see this gap right here. You could push up hard off of that gap. So PLUG. All that for $2. That's fire, bro. Talk about value. You play both sides of the coin every time? No, you can't make money like that. I'm just holding SQQQ, so if something bad happens, I'll be fine. And then I have other longs, which would like balance out my portfolio. My portfolio is hedged, basically. SQQQ has my portfolio hedged. So if all of a sudden we woke up and the market was crashed to the ground, I wouldn't care because I would have made a lot of money. That beat is so sick every time, bro. You're welcome, Stunner. Bro, today is actually insane. 21 brand new members. 21 brand new members. Amy reversal. I think we should reverse into close because the meme stocks are oversold right now. We're 30 minutes in the power hour. We should start getting some volume. AMC and GME should start to reverse. AMC's RSI is oversold. Outside the Bollinger Bands, we should be able to get a bounce in the close. What you should see is something similar to maybe like a little bit more movement down and then start working our way up in the close. I think that they're pushing it down a little bit, possibly to scoop some shares up before the rate cuts. I want to check out buy orders for AMC and GME. AMC buy orders at 482 all the way down to 472. Lots of buy orders for AMC. GME has buy orders right here. GME is literally in the buy orders. Bro, there's literally buy orders right here on GME. They actually have GME pinned. Look at it. There's sell orders right here at oh my God, I hate when they do this shit. There's sell orders at 2030 and there's buy orders at 2017. They're literally trying to keep it in between that 2020, 2025, and that's what it's been doing all day. Look. They're holding it there. That's because those buy and sell orders. Trying to pin the price. They also use other things like algorithmic trading, short shares and stuff like that, but they didn't dump much short shares today. If you notice, hold on. They dumped 4 million. They dumped like 3 million short shares this morning. That's what this is. Look what happened when we break it down. So when we break it down, y'all, you can see they had 4.4 million short shares 10 hours ago. Then you get a 7-hour report. They only have 1.5 million. Then they go all the way back up to 4 million. Then they go down to 3.9 million, which means they dumped 100,000. Then they go back to 4.4 million, which means they gained shares. Then they dumped another 100,000. They've been dumping shares, and they dumped 100,000 just an hour ago on GameStop. So right about here is when they dumped 100,000 short shares on GameStop stock. Right here. Now their dumbasses left the gap to the upside. Stupid. Thanks for leaving the gap, dummies. SPY trying to hold this key level. SPY looks like it's going to try to push up into the close since it's holding that key 562.16. The post MOAS track. I'm gonna be talking about sipping margaritas and on the beach after MOAS, bro. Do you know how much money we'll make if, like, I'm gonna retire after MOAS, bro. I got bars for days after MOAS. GameStop has support at 2012. They dumped 100,000 short shares on GameStop. That's why it's pulling back. Now let's break down AMC. 1 million short shares 13 hours ago. It went down to 850,000, so they dumped short shares. Then it went back up to 1.1 million. Then it went all the way down to 650,000 7 hours ago. Then they dumped another 50,000 because it went to 600,000. And now they have 1.1 million short shares, AMC stock ready to go. So they've been dumping on AMC and GME all day, trying to push the price down. AMC still in an overall uptrend after breaking out of this falling wedge. Let me check the falling wedge on TradingView, because that one's more important. Okay, we're still trying to break out. Well, we are breaking out of this falling wedge. But they are stopping momentum with everything they got. They're shorting shares and they're using sell walls. Right here are the sell walls. Sell walls located at 493 all the way up to 502. Imagine that. Imagine that. 502 is where their sell wall ends. These guys are some bastards, bro. Honestly, nothing less than 100 won't save most apes. I don't know. I know the apes that have been following my channel, if they get 100, they'll be fine. And I think that people would just be happy to get some of their money back. Plus, yo, I can't, like, I know everyone's not perfect, but you can't even be mad. Like, GameStop literally just ran 600%, and AMC literally just ran 400%. Like, if you didn't get some type of a payday off of that, what? AMC was literally at $2.38. And GameStop hit a low of $9.95. How could you not tell in your head that something was wrong with that picture? GameStop had hit $9.95. That's the lowest GameStop has hit since it had that massive rally to the upside. It hit that $9.95. That's the lowest it ever hit. How could you not tell that that was a massive buying opportunity? And AMC was sitting at, listen to this in your head, $2.38. How could you not tell that was a massive buying opportunity? I called it in the Discord too. We played GameStop all the way to the upside in the Discord. So if you didn't get some type of payday off of that, you gotta either be more involved in the game, pay more attention, and live and learn. Live and learn. Don't feel bad about it. You know, pick yourself back up, and the next time we see something like that, you make sure that you're prepared. You make sure that you're there, because even on any stock, a 600% gain is insane. And in the Discord, we played options, so it was multiplied. It was way more than 600%. Way more. And a lot of people played it all the way to the upside. We did 1150 call options. We did 1750 call options, and we played it all the way up. If you want to get in the Discord, you can hit me up on my email, DataZeroOfficial5, linked in the description of this video. It's $75 for a lifetime invite, normally $150, so it's like half right now. You can just hit the live stream. 180 in the building right now. That's crazy. Everybody hit the like button if you don't mind. Please hit the like button if you don't mind. Right here is the email. And if you just ask me about the Discord, I'll send you payment information. Payments made via PayPal or Cash App. Once you make payment, I'll send you the link to get in. AMC has support at this 486. Want to hold that level. Hammer candle right here. That could be a sign of a bottom if we close that hammer candle. I went in all in before the reverse split. Damn, bro. Damn. I wish you were you watching the channel before the reverse split? Because I literally was contemplating selling before the reverse split, and I actually talked to you guys one-on-one basically, and I was like, listen, I told you the good and the bad, and I was like, look, the reverse split is going to destroy this stock for a while, and I told y'all that straight up 100%. Some people were mad about me saying it. They were like, no, it's gonna cause squeeze. I said, listen, I don't care about none of that right now. I'm telling you, the reverse split is going to put the stock to a new all-time low. It's going to kill liquidity. It's going to come off the threshold security list. The short interest is going to drop. All the bad things. Everything that I said was going to happen, happened. And I literally was like, should I hold or should I sell? And you guys told me to diamond hand that shit, so I said, get them diamond handing it. And then that's when I fully committed to the idea of $0 out of that money or MOAS. So when it comes to AMC, you cannot listen to my strategy because I'm completely irrational. $0 gained. Okay, I'm holding until it hits 0 or the stock goes up a lot. I am not selling my AMC shares unless it hits $0 or this thing rips. Those are the only ways I'm selling my AMC shares right now. I got AMC shares that are in profit, and we talked about this on the stream. I got shares that I bought at $2.38 or something. I can tell you right now. I'll tell you right now. I got shares that I bought the official price. That way there's no confusion, because I said the official price on the live. I think the 38 was the low, so that's not it. I think that's the low I'm thinking of. I got shares really cheap though. We're about to find out. So I got GameStop shares that I bought for I bought them price paid $15.98. Those are 26% in profit right now. I could sell them for profit right now, which I'm not. Zero MOAS. I'm real about this shit. I'm not like these other fake YouTubers. I am not like these other fake YouTubers. I will hold my shit zero MOAS with y'all. I say what I do, I say, bruh. I'm not like these other YouTubers that lie. I do what I say. And price paid, I have shares that are 78% in the money right now. 78%. Can y'all see that? I don't even know if I should show y'all this. I don't even know if I should show y'all this. I might regret this later. Can you see it? They're in the money right now, 78%. So I got shares I could sell for a 78% gain right now. This mic unplugs too easily, man. And I gotta get the mic arm. I gotta do that shit like, I gotta, see, this is the thing I'm not focusing on, bro. This is what I'm talking about. I'm working too hard and not focusing on certain stuff. I gotta get the mic arm and shit like that. I could have been done that. All right, now. Yeah, and I got shares that are 42%, 78%, and 9% in the money right now. I bought them at $3.42 and $2.72, and the other ones that are in the money are $4.43. And then I have other accounts with other shares. But zero or MOAS. Steady buying these dips, 740 AMC shares. Long time no see. How we looking, bro? We looking good, bro. We looking good in the building. Except right now we are seeing some pullback for Amy. I honestly think they obviously shorted shares, but I think that this also could be because when rates get cut, mid cap and small cap stocks are going to fly. So they're trying to shake people out and or buy shares for the low right now while they can. Because if we get these 50 point, or if we get a 75, small and mid cap's gonna fly. Bitcoin's gonna fly too. And that's why I think Bitcoin's slightly down. Because once the rate cuts come, Bitcoin is gonna move up. Rate cuts are gonna weaken the dollar. And when the dollar goes down, things like Bitcoin go up, small and mid cap stocks go up. Thank you for the 2, Matthew. I appreciate it. If AMC hits 50 again, I'm selling. I wouldn't blame you. I would probably start taking profits around that range as well. And obviously, if I already have shares that are in the money, why would I not sell them at $50? You know what I mean? I have shares that are literally in the green right now that I could take profit on. At $50, they're gonna be like thousands of percentage points in the money. I bought them at what? It was $272. So that means at 50 bucks, bro, yeah, I made 1,000%. I made almost 2,000%. I'm waiting for the gaps to get filled, bruh. These gaps are gonna get filled on the daily and the weekly time frame. I'm waiting for those gaps to get filled. SPY is pushing up in the close as we expected. I told y'all SPY would be pushing up in the close after it held that level of 562.16. AMC pulling back in the close. It should get a slight bounce right before the close, so that we're coming into the last 10 minutes now. We should be able to get a slight bounce off of that. Boy, it's hot in here, bro. Hold up, bro. All right, GameStop getting some pullback as well. They did dump shares. Now, remember, y'all. RSI is oversold, and they left the gap fill to the upside. That gap will get filled. So do not worry. We got some more official merch as well. DZ got keys, you feel me? Check it out in the merch store. GameStop current price $20.09. AMC $4.86. Buy the deep. AMC and GME will perform better with rate cuts. There's a gap fill to the upside. RSI oversold. Outside of the bands, buyers will be stepping in. Plus, this is straight manipulation, y'all. They've been shorting AMC and GME all day today. I showed that with proof, with the short shares. And on top of all of that, they have sell orders, which they're not trying to let AMC and GME up. Right here, sell orders for AMC, literally where we started the dump at 492. They have sell orders. We came up and retested 492 and got the sell orders and started the dump. And they also were dumping short shares. HOLO is going back to 50 cents. You're asking? Let me see, bro. I have to check it out. I don't know. I'm not going to make a prediction on that, bro. HOLO? HOLO? Oh, no. This thing's done, bro. You had this falling wedge break. So I plotted this falling wedge, apparently. And then you came up to this resistance and died. Nah, yeah, this is done. This is done. And you made a new low, bro. This is done. In fact, this was probably just a dead cat bounce, dude. What is this stock? Is there something important about it? Because unless something fundamental happened here, I'd be worried. You might get one more of those coming up to like maybe, you know, 32. You have resistance at 32. You got resistance, yeah, at 32. Maybe 41. This thing's done, bro. Your RSI is not even oversold yet. Okay, you're starting to get oversold on the 2-hour time frame. So you are going to get a bounce on this soon. But I don't know how high. Maybe back to 31. Maybe back to 40. Should do better when the rate cuts come into play. I wouldn't mess with that too much, though, to be honest with you, brother. Looks very volatile, very risky, low cap stock. Yeah, I wouldn't mess with that too much. If you can make some money on it, definitely make a bag, but it's risky. Definitely risky. SPY pushing up in the close as expected. I told you SPY was going to push towards that 563. SPY just hit 563.05, so SPY pushing up as expected. Thank you for the 199 press release. I'll keep an eye on that stock if you guys remind me. $50? Holy cow. Is that 50 cents or $50? I don't know about $50, bro. I think it only hit 50 cents. I think it only hit 50 cents. Yes, that was cents. It never hit dollars. I don't know if it's going to $50, bro. Hell no. Hell no. I don't know why it was up that high. That's like some type of short squeeze or something. It went from $1.50 all the way to $98. That was some type of crazy short squeeze. What if you get some news that make that happen? Yeah, maybe if you get some news, but this was some type of short squeeze, bro. And that happened in... That was some type of short squeeze, bro. Some crazy shit. That shit... Look at this stock. This stock is insane, bro. What the f is this stock, bro? What is this? It has these random rallies. Look at this thing. It went all the way to $185. All right, let me get off of this thing, bro, because this thing is erratic, bro. This thing went to 113. This stock is insane, dude. Who knows what this thing could do? This thing could just go crazy one day. Who knows? That thing is wild. AMC down 1.92%. AMC at 486. AMC trying to use that 486 support. GameStop 2017. GameStop has support at 2012. And GameStop is using that support right now. SPY pushing up. Thank you all for the donations, man. Y'all are crazy. So shout out. Hey, we broke 14,100 subscribers, man. So if you want to help out the channel for absolutely free, hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that like button and subscribe. I appreciate it. Hit that like button. We have 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. 204 people in the building. Did not expect 200 today. Thank you for everybody who showed up. 21 brand new members is crazy. 21 brand new members is crazy, y'all. Thank you so much. Y'all are... Thank you. Thank you. 21 brand new members for a... Bro, this live stream was only... 1 hour and 38 minutes, and we got 21 brand new members. What the hell is going on, dude? We are the best, baby. We are the best, dude. Yo, DataZero family, bro. Bar none, most active, most poppin', most lit community, bro, by far. Bar fucking none, dude. Bloody day for the memes today. Bloody day for the memes. Multiple gap fills to the upside. Calm before the storm, baby. And I'll tell you what, if we get these rate cuts and SPY starts pulling back hard, memes can pop. Ladies and gentlemen, when the memes get the rate cuts, we're going to see some movement. Do not get discouraged. This is the calm before the storm. I believe this is the manipulation, too, before the storm. They love to do this before AMC pumps. If you noticed, every time AMC pumped, we started to pull back. Look, right here. Pulling back, pulling back, pulling back. Pump. Even here, we're up at a high of like 360. We come all the way down to a low of like 280 before ripping. So they love to manipulate us down before the pumps to the upside. Do not get discouraged. Rate cuts will be a much better environment. GameStop held key level of $20, all good. AMC above key level of $472, all good. I'm gonna probably do a video if I can. I'm trying to do videos more since I haven't been able to live the correct times. I should be able to tomorrow. I should be able to live all day. So tune in tomorrow for a possible all-day live stream, and then tune in later today for a possible video around 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Truly appreciate all of y'all, fam, because I could not be here without y'all. We are truly the best, man. We are truly the best. The most active, most lit, most poppin' community. Like, bar none, man. Bar none. Check out your official DZ merch. Check out your official DZ merch at the merch store. And make sure it's the official shit, bro. You can only get it from my merch store. Anything else is fake, all right? So, y'all see me rock this shirt. This is the shirt I'm rocking right now. And y'all see me rock this one and a few others. All right, fam. This was the DZ live stream. What's the AMC 8K? There's an 8K filing. Oh my God, what is this? What is this? Oh my God, I can read this shit. We have an 8K filing, y'all. Statement of change and beneficial ownership. Maybe it's nothing. Maybe it's nothing. Dude, imagine having to dox your whole name. Look at his whole everything's on here. Oh no, just this is AMC's, but his name is right here. Imagine having to dox your whole name in front of everybody. Name and address of reporting person, issuer name and ticker, relationship, director. It looks like they gave the director shares for compensation. Is what I'm reading here. Shares of the issuer Class A common stock were granted under the issuer's 2024 equity incentive plan. Yeah, so they gave the non-employee director, they gave the director his compensation, is what I'm reading here. The common shares must be retained for 1 year until the end of the reporting person's service on the issuer's board of directors. So it looks like they gave somebody on the board, a director, some compensation for shares. That's all. This has nothing to do with the pullback. That has nothing to do with the pullback for AMC. No, I really think this is nothing. I really think it's nothing. So we just went crazy real quick and boosted all the way up to 208 people in the building, man. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe on the way out. I appreciate y'all. This is the DZ live stream. Money Mondays, baby. Let's go. Money Mondays. Damn, I got 100 likes on my Instagram. Thank you. All right, thank you, everybody. Tune in for a possible video around 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. That's going to be 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Possible video on the channel giving you a prediction update for what's going on tomorrow. Probably a short, sweet, to the point video. And then tune in tomorrow. I should be able to get on the live around, I would say, 10:30 at the latest. So possibly all day live tomorrow. So make sure you tune in for that as well. I appreciate all of y'all for being here, man, and thanks for all the love and support. 21 brand new members. We don't speak on the super chats. 128 likes. Crazy. Only on basically a 2-hour live stream. We're about 15 minutes short from 2 hours, and I'm probably gonna let it run for that 15 minutes. So we did a little 2-hour live stream. Little 2-hour live stream. We got 21 brand new members. Hell yeah. Bano in the building. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, Bano. Thank you. Bano is in the building right now, fam. Let's go. We're in here. Lion, what up? Ghost, peace. Peace out. Justin. Y'all stay chill, man. Stay safe. You already know what it is. You already know what it is. As always, y'all, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out. Few push-ups a day, keep the doctor away. You feel me? We don't talk it, we live it, fam. We don't talk it, we live it. We live it, fam. We don't talk it, we live it. We get this money. We self-improve. We never stop. I want everybody to follow the path. Getting money, improvement on your health, improvement on yourself, improvement on your wealth. Let's do this. DZ fam, we are the best. AMC getting a slight bounce in after hours. That's because it was way too oversold. So AMC will get a bounce. I don't talk it, I live it. And I paint a picture vivid. And I get it popping like it's sitting on the skillet. The question is, how long is it gonna have to consolidate? I'm gonna probably run it out to like that. And then I don't talk it, I live it. I paint a picture vivid. And I get it popping like it's sitting on the skillet. I go so hard, I go so mean. I am so New Orleans. I told the judge I couldn't budge. It was him or me. Bro, Lil Wayne was the fucking GOAT, dog. Let's go, Amy. Recover, baby. That's what I'm fucking talking about, baby. What I'm talking about. I should have just left it alone, huh? Because I know we're going to have to consolidate. We're just retesting. So we're going to consolidate. Then we're going to push up. And we're going to close above that. And then we're going to... And GameStop, I'm going to let GameStop play out. Look at the 30-second chart. I don't even know if I have it. And gap fills on the smaller time frame I don't pay much attention to. I only do 5 minute and up because if I did every gap fill, there would be way too much noise. Way too much noise. But I appreciate the info, as always. I always appreciate if y'all drop info because that's how I learn things as well. I can gain info and then, you know what I mean? It's a vicious cycle, so we keep that going. All right, y'all, I'm gonna head out. Got a little 2-hour live stream, little short live stream, little 2-hour joint. Something light, something nice. AMC to the moon, 0 Moas. That's what I'm doing, man. 0 Moas, dude. 0 Moas. That is all I'm doing is 0 or Moas, dog. Literally holding to 0 or Moas. All right, fam. That's going to be everything for today. I appreciate y'all. Make sure you lock in, tune in, hit that like button, and subscribe for more updates, predictions, stock, and crypto. I'm telling y'all, Bitcoin's going to pump if we get rate cuts, too. So I think people are trying to push Bitcoin down a little bit before the rate cuts. But that's why even when Papa Powell started talking about the rate cuts, Bitcoin had pumped. I forget which one it was. But one of these pumps came from him just talking about it. I think it was this one. So just rates getting cut means the dollar weakens, which means, and I think people are going to rotate out of the mega cap stocks into the smaller cap stocks. That's why IWM outperformed NASDAQ. So NASDAQ was red, and then IWM was actually green today, while NASDAQ was red, because people are going to rotate out of the mega cap stocks into the smaller mid cap stocks, which is what IWM is made out of. NASDAQ's made out of the big mega cap tech stocks. So I think the trend will continue. The trade will continue. I think it's very tricky territory to navigate, but I think I got it right after I thought out loud and talked about everything on the live stream. I think what we're going to see is a continuum of that rotation out of the mega cap stocks into the smaller mid cap stocks. Mid cap stocks are going to do well in the rate cuts, which means overall SPY and NASDAQ pulling back, IWM going up, which could create a natural bull run eventually. So we'll talk about all that and more. Make sure you lock in. Have a good day, everybody. You too, Cliff. As always, y'all, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out. Much love, DZ fam. A few push-ups a day, keep the doctor away. Remember, always improve your mind, your wallet, and your body. If you keep improving those three things, everything else, and I mean everything else, will fall into place. And make sure you put God first. DZ fam, over and out. On what stock? Bro, I'm telling you, they were trying to push it down to buy low. That's why there's buy orders down here. They're trying to push it into the buy orders so they can buy more. They're trying to buy low so they can sell high. And you already know that's institutions buying in after hours. That's all they want to do is push it down so they can buy it up low. That's what they did today. Look at these big wicks to the upside. Yeah, see, look, even GameStop's going up, bro. They're trying to buy low so they can sell high. Thank you. Me too, Sonny. Me too. All right, everybody. I'm a roll. Stay safe, fam. Peace. I'm telling y'all, once we get the rate cuts, man, just wait. The calm before the storm for many stocks. Once we get those rate cuts. They pushed it down to buy low. That's the only reason they pushed it down, to buy low.